Are you searching for a captivating game project that combines classic fun with modern polish? Perhaps you're a player yearning for a fresh, action-packed multiplayer experience reminiscent of a beloved arcade classic. Many options fall short, lacking either the depth, the necessary features, or the developer-friendly tools to truly succeed. Introducing Bomboo, the ultimate new Bomberman-style game, ready to captivate players and empower developers. Bomboo offers a vibrant, explosive world where strategy meets thrilling action, perfect for a wide audience. Dive into an engaging single-player mode against smart AI opponents across diverse maps. Challenge friends and players worldwide in real-time online multiplayer battles, testing your bombing skills. Experience unique offline multiplayer, allowing up to 4 players to compete on a single device for instant fun. Unlock a roster of 12 distinctive characters, each bringing their own flair to the arena. Master various bomb types and collect powerful upgrades to dominate the battlefield. Daily rewards, a lucky spin wheel, and a competitive ranking system ensure endless fun and replayability. For developers, Bomboo is a robust, Unity-powered project built with clean C# code. It's fully optimized and ready for deployment on Android, iOS, and WebGL platforms, giving you broad reach. Monetize effortlessly with integrated AdMob and Unity ads, alongside flexible in-app purchases for coins. Firebase integration handles user authentication and data saving, streamlining your backend needs. Our comprehensive documentation and dedicated support make reskinning, customizing, and launching your game incredibly simple. Bomboo is also fully GDPR compliant, ensuring global readiness for your next big success. Ready to unleash the fun or kickstart your next successful game project? Don't miss out on this explosive opportunity. Find the link in the description below to explore Bomboo and get started today.